Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about cash basis and accrual basis that we are using in accounting. Under accrual accounting, revenue is recognized when a company satisfies its performance obligation to a customer. So when a company delivers its services, delivers its products to the customers, they have met their performance obligation, so they can recognize revenues and they have to recognize expenses associated with that revenues regardless the cash payments. Okay, that's different from cash basis that recognizes revenues when they receive cash and recognizes expenses when they paid cash. We are using the accruals, so it really depends on meeting the performance obligations. Expenses are recognized in the same period as the revenue they help generate. That's based on the principle of matching costs against revenues. So let's take a look at this example. Okay, conservation, a consulting company specializing in the conservation of natural resources, was hired by the state of Georgia to explore options for providing water resources to the Atlanta metropolitan area. So that's the assignment. In November, conservation incurred $60,000 of expenditure. So they incurred $60,000 of expenditures on accounts. That means they haven't paid it yet, while investigating the water shortage facing the state. Conservation also delivered its recommendations and billed the state $100,000 for its work. That's in November. So they have completed the job in November. That means they have met the performance obligation in November. And then in December, all the bills are due, so they have to pay the $60,000 expenditure they use in November. So they use the expenses in November, but they're paying it in December. In January, the company received the payment for the revenue that they built in November. Okay, so let's take a look at the difference between the cash basis accounting and the accrual basis accounting. With cash basis, the revenue is received in January, the expenses are paid in December. Okay, so the net income, which is revenues minus expenses, zero in November, negative 60,000 in December, and $100,000 in January. That's with cash basis accounting, because what is important for cash basis accounting is the cash inflows for the revenue and cash outflows for the expenses. Okay, but we are using accrual basis accounting. It's very important to see when the performance obligation is met. That's when we recognize the revenue, and the expenses to support that revenues must be recognized in the same period. So the revenues, the company fulfilled its obligation in November. So by that time, they could recognize the revenues, $100,000. They're not going to be paid until January, but the revenue is the revenue for November. And the expenses uh, were for November. Yep, $60,000 November. Okay. Although the payment is done in December. So for the accrual basis accounting, when we calculate net income, revenues minus expense, $40,000 net income in November, zero in December, and zero in January. So we follow the matching cost against revenues principle. we follow that the revenues are recognized after the company meets its performance obligation. That's the difference between cash basis and accrual basis accounting. Thank you for watching.